subliminals in and of itself. Now, this area below the conscious mind is where we get into areas like psychodynamics, which is sort of like the interrelationship or the interrelation between the conscious, the unconscious, emotions, personality, the subconscious, and the conscious. So I find these areas intriguing in terms of personality and motivations, goals and drive. But subliminals in and of itself, goals and drive. But subliminals in and of itself